friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. If you are watching for the first time, you can just click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. And today here I am with the beautiful knotted tassel earring. As you see here, I have used like 4 colors, so it's 4 color knotted tassel earring, which is cotton. And here the material that I have used is embroidery floss. Let's see how to make. Here I am with 4 bright colors of embroidery floss. First remove your tags at the ends, then cut it into 2 halves. This way I am cutting at one edge. Same way you can just cut at the other end to get 2 halves for 2 earrings. Fine. Similarly, cut all the other 3 colors. So here I have trimmed off all the colors, and make sure that you keep 4 for one earring, another 4 for other earring. And to do the tassel, just fold your floss into a kind of loop, and this is the technique that we are using here, just inserting your loop to the other loop. So it's like a plus. Now insert your blue to the left loop this way. Now to the right, add your green loop inside the blue one. At the top again, insert your green into orange one. Fine. Now the next step is to insert your brown, that is red one, that is under. So take it off. In the loop insert your orange. Then this end should go inside the loop of blue. Okay, that's it. Now we get like a plus shape or a square shape. Make sure that your thread are equal in length. So this is the pattern. So now the next step is to tie it up to the middle of the design. So this way you can just adjust and tight and make a knot at its center. Just tight it. Since we have folded into 2 equal halves, the knot will be obviously made at its center, so no worries in that. So here the knot is made. Make sure that you tight it and there is no folds in the thread in the knot. If you find any folds, you can just clear it, even by removing 1 or 2 threads. So here it's done. It will look similar in the front and also at the back. Now the next step is to add earring findings. Here I am with one eye pin or any normal pin. Insert your pin at its middle, at the knot middle. This is the head pin I am using here. To hold the pin in place, I have used a small bead. As you see, here I am using a small bead. Now insert your head pin through the hole, through the center of the knot. Make sure that you don't disturb the threads. So this way you can just insert your head pin and adjust your thread if suppose the thread is just misplaced. Okay, and now it's done. I am going to add my earring findings. Here I am adding one pearl and making a loop and adding my hanging or any stud or ear hoop or anything that you wish. So tight it. This will give the grip to hold the tassel to make the knot at the bottom. So to make the knot, here I have took blue color. You can just take any one color from this four so that the knot will go really well with the tassels. That's the reason. Don't use any other color. That will be the fifth color. That won't look much good. So even out all your threads this way and keep your blue color just over the blue one this way and tight it. Tight it as nearby as possible to the knot. So make like 4 to 5 round and now take out your loop through the knots this way. Using any crochet needle or any normal needle, you can just load your thread over the needle and pull off to the same color this way. So trim off the thread and remove the excess. So here it's done. So to even out the edges, make sure that your tassel colors are equal in size and trim it off at the base. To even out, here I am using a comb. After that, you can just level it up with your another earring and trim off the edges. Okay, so to trim off the edges, here the idea that I am using here is to fold it in any paper or canvas paper or anything of your wish. So level it with another one earring and trim off the excess this way. Now roll your tassel in this paper. Now you can see the excess here at the right side. You can just trim it off with a pair of good scissors. This will give the neat finish and the level will be very accurate, rather simply cutting it as such without rolling this way. So here it's done. You can just check. If required, you can also comb it again to see the level. Here it's done. And if you really like this video, you can just give it a like and share it up with your friends. And if you are new, you can just subscribe to my channel. Okay, நீங்கள் இப்போ தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா என்னோட சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலியோட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Till then, take care friends. Bye bye.